In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful. You might have seen some of the people, they are found spending too much of their time, too much of their time on the things which are okay, but not that much important. These people spend their time disproportionately upon the things of lesser importance or the things which can be done with much lesser amount of time and money upon these things. How they look, what they are wearing, how their face is, how their hands are. They spend too much of their time, do too much of the hard work upon the things of trivial importance, or at least, safely speaking, they spend too much of their time, hard work, even money, some of the people, upon the minute things of their looks. Now, I'm not talking the looks as a whole, I'm not talking about it. They spend too much of their time upon the trivial things regarding the looks. Looks are okay. We need to look okay. We should look okay. We should look good. But looking good does not take much of our time. It's not something which is very laborious. It is not something which is very laborious. It is not a Herculean task. It is not a rocket science. It is not something very complicated. We need to somewhat simplify it. We should try to simplify it a little bit. Don't keep increasing, enhancing, increasing, exaggerating about it. No. Pay some of your time, some of your hard work, some of your money upon gaining and maintaining the good looks. As a matter of fact, the real looks are the personality of a human being is one's thoughts and character. Our body is good, our body, looks of our body, health is very important, very important. We should remain clean, hygienic, should wear the appropriate dresses. That's fine, that's fine. Nothing wrong in it at all. Do not spend too much of that your time upon the things which are relating to the looks but not very important as far the looks are concerned. Don't be too sensitive. Don't be too sensitive about it. Looks cannot be enhanced up to certain level. Why? Because you are already gifted and given the looks by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It cannot be remade. No need to become a Michael Jackson. No need to follow the rule, the style of the Michael Jackson according to your own, mean keeping in view your own resources. Now, some of the people they are too much concerned about their food, the taste of their food. As for the health is concerned, we need to take care of it. We need to take care of about our health. What is going to be the impact of a particular food upon our health, particularly if at all we are striving and struggling to get rid of a disease. We need to become very careful and cautious about what we eat, what we drink, whatever is ingested, whatever goes to our stomach. But there are people who are very, very, very interested about the taste of the food, about the taste of the food, about where they want to go for the purpose of eating. Doing it rarely, going to a place of your choice, going to a favorite place of yours for the sake of the food, it is okay. But spending too much of your time, money upon the taste of the food, the brand of the restaurant, the brand of the restaurant you go for the sake of eating, I think it is disproportionate. It is disproportionate. It should not be done. It is far better to remain, to adopt a moderate lifestyle. Do eat the food of your choice off and on, that is fine. Go to your favorite place, your favorite restaurant off and on, that is fine. Brands. For the shoes brand, for the clothes brand, for this brand, for that brand. You are not because of the brands you are wearing. You are not actually, you are not actually because of the brand you are wearing. Rather, you yourself need to become a brand. You yourself need to become a brand. Don't be a metrosexual personality. Don't be a metrosexual personality at all. Don't be crazy of the brands. Don't be crazy of the brand. Be yourself a brand. You yourself are a brand. You yourself are a brand, a branded person. Branded person. That's all. Although there are some of the people, I salute their greatness. I salute their greatness. They are so simple, so simple, so simple. Not because they cannot afford it, not because they hate to spend money, not because of this, but they are focusing, directing maximum amount of their time, their physical energy, mental energy, their financial resources, the rest of the resources for a great cause, for a great cause, for the objective they have set in their life, for the achievement of their goal. They people are really great. But it's not for everybody. I pray and desire that everybody, including me, become a person like this one, but it is not feasible, it is not possible. Adopt if you want to do it. If somebody wants to do it, I think they are great people, should be respected and should be cherished. But it's not for everybody. Everybody can't do that actually. Otherwise, everybody is welcome. Everybody is welcome to this lifestyle, but it is not what everybody will like to do. maintain a moderate lifestyle. Thank you.